Whenever I turn on my camera, I feel like I'm facing that stage fear again, like I used to feel when I was in school. So my mic just got discharged. And yeah, so I was talking about my day, and I think it did not get record. Okay, I think I will try this trick where I will just imagine that I am talking with my colleagues and not with my camera. Like few months back I was thinking, let's just quit making videos in English and just talk in my native language. Maybe that's how I might get better views. But then I remind myself that I am not doing it for views, I am doing it for myself, for my future self, to just comfortable with camera and my English speaking skills. It's ready. This is my favorite spoon. It's the biggest. I like I like big head and long tail spoons. I don't know why, but I just love them. Like this one. See, it has a long tail. I like the longer ones. Like this is also very small for me. I think I like to hold it from here and then it should be long. I don't know why am I sharing this. It is awkward whenever I talk about this cutlery thing with anyone excitedly, and then there is this awkward silence. That why do you like spoons longer? Like why? Like I like cutlery. So what? Anyways, let's go.